Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your profile picture on Zoho Mail in 2025. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the final steps that updates it across your Zoho account. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for mail.zoho.in. Now, once you are here on this page, you need to simply either create your Zoho Mail account, or if you already have an account, you need to simply sign in into it. Now, once you are in your Zoho Mail account, you will see your profile picture in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to first of all click on your profile, then you need to click on the change option right next to your profile. Now, as soon as you click on the change option, it will redirect you here in your accounts tab, where you will be able to see further information about your profile like your name, your Zoho email and other details. Now over here, you need to simply again click on your profile icon right next to your name and select that particular photo which you want to upload over here. After uploading that particular photo from your computer, you will be able to adjust it with the help of this slider. So you can either crop it if needed. Make sure that your image is clear, it is square shaped and under the size limit. Once you are done, simply click on the update option over here. Now click on the save changes option in the top right hand corner, and now your new profile picture will be appeared in the Zoho Mail section in the top right hand corner of the screen. You will also be able to get the same photograph linked on the other Zoho applications like CRM or Calendar, and that's how you can change your profile picture on Zoho in 2025 fast and easy for your web browser. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe for more Zoho tips and comment if you want me to create a tutorial on any other topics. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.